Today we introduce a new member of the CGM Master family. When we first designed the Master module, we wanted it to be a Eurorack system gateway to the outside world. We equipped it with a stereo pair of pseudo-balanced outputs and a stereo headphones output with pre-fader listening capabilities. This time we wanted to push this concept even further, so we designed the Masterone. The Masterone is a Eurorack module specifically designed to connect exclusively with known Eurorack equipment. It features a pair of pseudo-balanced TRS output, a pair of balanced stereo Xlr outputs, a stereo headphones output, and a pseudo-balanced mono TRS output. As of today, it is the first Frap modules with no 3.5mm inputs or outputs. Just like the classic Master module, the Masterone received the sound signal from all the group modules connected to it through the Master to Group EDC connectors. The socket is in the same position as on the Master module, so they are completely interchangeable. The main fader sets the amplitude of the group sum. It can attenuate it or even add more than 6 dB of gain. Just like any other CGM module, it is possible to saturate the circuit and take advantage of its internal worm distortion. The 2/4-inch pseudo-balanced outputs are technically the same as for the Master module, but with larger connectors. Pseudo-balance means that its primary behavior is like a regular unbalanced TS output. However, if you patch a TRS connector to any of these two inputs, the ground will be routed to the ring and sleeve, thus providing a better behavior with balanced systems. Still, the best option for balanced scenarios is the Xlr Balanced Output pair. The two connectors provide a balanced signal that, in most cases, spares you from using DI boxes on stage or in the studio. Both for the TRS and Xlr, if the outputs are too hot for your destination, you can scale them down through the line mix switch for the Xlr and through the line instrument switch here for the TRS. Having a flexible artistic environment in mind, we choose to add additional 1/4-inch pseudo-balanced monophonic output. Its output depends on the main fader's position. An additional dedicated fader, however, allows you to attenuate it by 15 dB or even amplify it by an extra 6 dB. It can be useful in live settings where you may need an extra monitor with its volume control, but also in the studio where you may want to parallel process the stereo sound through a monophonic signal path like a pedalboard or a vintage amplifier. But remember, always pay attention to the output level. The last feature for a creative mixing situation is the headphone section with the pre-fader listening circuits, similar to the Master module, but this time with a larger 1/4-inch jack socket. The knob here defines the headphone's output amplitude and it is independent from the Master fader level, unlike the mono output. The other knob is a crossfader that defines the balance between the group sum on the left side with a white label and the pre-fader audio on the right with a blue label, which you can activate on a channel or group basis through the blue PFL switches. The PFL audio won't be routed to the other 5 outputs. These features allows you to monitor the content of a channel or group in the headphones before sending it to the main outputs, for example to check if everything is in tune. The VU-meter has been expanded from 5 to 12 LEDs and the last couple has a peak memory function. By combining these features, we wanted to design the Masterone as the new gateway from your Eurorack system to the outside world.